Xiaomi phone. Xiaomi fastboot problem. Fastboot problem. Volume up and down and power with volume up, down and power key. Release volume down, press volume up. Then volume down, with data selected, then OK button, then with all data selected, then down, confirm, formatted device. Then reboot system, then reboot. Then after 3 minutes, wait. Xiaomi phone, fastboot problem, downgrade mode problem, hang logo, pattern password, FRP, unlock, very easy. All problem solution Xiaomi, hang, slow, net slow, hanging issue, hang and logo, stack and logo, MIUI, stack logo, fastboot mode, downgrade mode, solution this method. Solution this method. Xiaomi all mobile, Redmi, Xiaomi, MI, all Android device. Pattern, password, Gmail forget, hang and logo, stack and logo, stack MI. Next, select country, then next, accept, next, then skip, data or Wi-Fi skip, then more, accept. Then skip, then next, then complete. Okay, device